Hello friends, welcome back. Now we are going to work on categories and brands. So in this video I will cover category. For this I'm going to create a new class, or first let me create a new page and save this page as db operation dot php. Okay, and start the PHP block and use the class, name it as db operation dot db operation dot extends. Remove the extends, create a private variable for database connection, $connection, right? And use the constructor, remove the argument, and write the code dollar we need include underscore once, and the file name is database slash db.php, and let's take the variable connection equals to create the object db equals to new database. Now object is ready. Now db arrow connect, so this will return the connection variable and I will store in my private variable connection. Fine, so now connection is ready, and now I'm going to create another method, public function, and add category. Okay, so before writing the code of this add category, I'm going to create a table. So here we have only one table, user. Now I'm going to create a new table called categories with 4 columns. Okay, the first one is category ID, second one is parent category, third one is category name, the fourth one is status. Status will be enumerated data type, which can either be 1 or 0. If it is 1 means this is the available, or if it is 0 means it is not available. Category name, it is varchar 255, and parent category is integer 11. Make it auto increment primary the CID will be primary. Okay, and category name will be unique, so don't forget to make it unique. So, and let's create the table. Okay, our table is ready. Here you can see categories, and this is the structure and SQL statement. So a public function add category $pre statement equals to $this arrow connection arrow repair, and right here, so we need data such parent category, parent, and $category. Who is the parent and category? So let's take the insert query from here, copy, and we don't need CID because this is auto incremented. That's why I'm removing value 1 also, and we need parent category, category name, and status, right? So put here question mark, here also question mark, and here too, and this is categories, right? dollar pre-statement arrow. Let's bind the parameter. So first one will be integer, then string, and again string. So parent category is actually the integer. This is the ID of parent category, and the category name will be string, and status will be integer. So dollar first one is a parent, second one is category, and the third one is dollar status. Let's create a variable status. Right now, first time the status will be 1 because we are inserting, that means this is active. Later we can update it, and let's call the pre-statement arrow execute or die. This will tell us if there is error in our query. Arrow error. I store it in a variable $result because there can be duplicate category. So $result, if $result, if it is true, return. If it is inserted, return a string category added. So it is category added, else return 0, not added. Let's create the object of this class. $OPR equals to new GB operation. This object is created. Now echo $OPR arrow add category. Parent category will be the first parent category will be 0, that is root, and name of the category will be electronics. Okay, save it, and if the category is added, it will return category added. Save this, go to your file and load the page. Includes dboperation.php. So you can see category added, right? And in your browser, check the categories. So the parent category is 0, means it is root, and the category we added is electronics. And next is let me add software. So this is also parent category. Again we are getting category added. Now let's take books or gadgets. Category added. But if you want to try add the same category, let's say electronics is electronics. Save and load the page once again. So duplicate entry electronics for key, it is not added. So electronics, software, gadgets, but no more electronics. Now we can add subcategories such as for phones 1, and so electronics is category 1, and I'm going to add mobiles. Let's run this. Okay, first one is electronics, right? Category added, refresh, and you can see the mobile category is added and the parent category is 1. That is nothing but for electronics category is 1, belongs to electronics, right? Let's comment this code and write one more function, public function get all record, and here we can get table because we can get data from any table. Dollar pre statement equals to this arrow connection arrow prepare select all from dollar, so it is a table, right? And let's pre statement arrow execute, or if there is wrong thing, die. Error. And okay, this is executed, and we need a variable dollar result, so it's equals to dollar pre statement arrow get underscore result. Okay, get result. Now if dollar result num underscore rows greater than 0, then this will work. Let's create a variable dollar rows equals to dollar array, right? And use a while loop. Dollar row equals to dollar result fetch associative array, and use dollar rows dollar row. Now this is an array, and this is an associative array, so we will add all the tuples in our rows. I will show you how the outputs will look like. So rows, and this is fine, and return dollar rows, and if num rows not greater than 0 means there is no data, right? No data. Dollar print statement and dollar opr arrow get all record, pass the table categories, and let's say here echo pre, save it, and just use your browser, refresh. So you can see the added categories are, this is an array, and this is an individual array inside array. First is 0. In 0th index we have an array, associative array, so this is a numeric array, and inside we have associative array, right? So this is associative array with the indexing, string indexing, category id, parent category, name, all this we have. Okay, let's comment this and save it. Now let's go to your category page. Inside your templates we have already created category, and visit the form. So components, inside we have a form. This is a form, right? This is a simple form. I want this form. Let's copy it, and in your category paste, and remove the email address, name it category name. Remove for, we don't require, you can remove from everywhere, for, and here id we need category name, and we need also name attribute because I want data from this form, and id to validate it. Let's say here cat error. Remove the given text. Okay, and also change the type. So here you can change the type text and take this is small, paste after your input and name it here. So this is change the type to text and okay, we don't need input, right? Here we need a select option. So parent category select option. For root we have 0, initially we have root only, and this is to show the error. What I can say, at least there is a root, right? So there is no requirement of show error. Parent category, and here id equals to parent underscore category. Name is also parent category. Save, and we need class equals to form hyphen control. Okay, this is text name category cat error. Save it and check your output. Inside dashboard, right? Categories add. So you can see that we have category name, root, we have only root, we don't need checkout. So remove this checkout, save this, refresh, and we also don't need this save changes. Category, this is okay, close it. Now let's map the data. Here is our products, category, and let's id, give it id equals to form underscore category, and on submit equals to return false. Just check form category, copy, and in your main.js okay, here let's take a comment, fetch category function, fetch category. So we have written fetch category, right? $dot Ajax URL domain plus slash include slash process dot php. So our data will go actually I want to get records from category, that's why I'm calling a fetch category from this page, and method post data will be get category. To enable a particular block of code I'm using get category, and let's say success function. So we need a response, name it as data, or you can also say response. Now wait for alert, save it, and in your process page get this category, copy, and in the process page for to get category, if set call underscore post get category, right? And create the object. So we need to include the page exclude once, and this is db operation. db operation.php, save it. So db operation.php, correct? And let's create the object dollar obj equals to new db operation. So db operation object is created. Now get the data. To get the data, dollar obj arrow get all record. This is a heavy function because it is using a star, that's why I will not call it again and again, right? So now let's call dollar object arrow get all record. So we need to pass the name of table, its categories, okay, and store it in a variable called rows. Okay, let's see the db operation, and this is get all record, right? So this is get all record, and this will execute the get all record. I need to pass the table. Okay, so rows we have it will return, it returns a rows. Now use a for each, and don't forget to exit after every echo. For each, so use here rows, take the indexes, row, rows and row. Now echo option and dollar row category name, and the value equals to what's the indexing? It's parent cat, parent underscore cat. It is parent cat, value is parent cat option, and semicolon, and after that exit. So this will come to this page main.js, and I will alert, I have an alert, save it, save all, and in main.js now call this page category here and save. Let's see the output, refresh, and you can see the fatal error, uncalled error, class object db operation not found in C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, process.php 24. It is db operation, right? Class db operation not found. So db operation and online 24. Yeah, spelling mistake. Most of the time I'm getting error like you guys are commenting that you are getting error, fatal error, and sometimes you say bind param error. So I'm doing everything correct, and maybe you are watching and typing, that's why you are getting the error because of silly mistakes like I have done here, spelling mistakes, and sometimes you forget to add this arrow symbol. That's why you got error. Otherwise there is no problem. All codes is writing on live screen. Right, save, refresh. So you can see option value 0 electronics and all the data we have. Let's go to the main.js and remove this alert and $hash. This is the category and this is the parent cat. Copy this and main.js, paste here, .html, and put the data. Refresh, add. So you can see electronics, software, and all the categories we have. But you can notice we don't have root. We have given in our form root, but we don't have root here. In category we have given root, but we are not getting root. It's because of we are adding from main.js, so this is no more after the adding. Let's remove it from here, or maybe copy it from here. Save this page and main.js. Let's create a variable called root equals to option. So value is 0 root, and just add this root plus data. Refresh, add, and you can see we have root, software, and everything we have.